Throughout my entire life, I've had pretty bad oral hygiene, and no dentist would ever explain to me or my parents why. And it was just so reoccurring that it really just became a part of me that I just swept away for the majority of my own conscious thinking. I just never really thought of it as I should have, since I never really understood how much it would affect me on the long run. But at this very moment, I have teeth that have weathered away due to bruxism because I clench too much at night, and they've lost the majority of their shape, and I have past fillings, amalgam fillings, and even to this day I still have some signs of cavities from back molars. Even though I do think that I take care of my teeth the best I possibly can, but because of the fact that I clench at night, I just don't really stand a chance. I've had braces in high school, and that didn't really fix my problem. It just gave me a smile, and what's a smile without its function? So, me currently, I have an open bite, a cross bite, and crowded teeth in my bottom jaw. And it's brought me so many health problems from the fact that I have developed scoliosis because of it. I was diagnosed with scoliosis in high school, and I thought nothing of it because I didn't really feel any different, and because I guess the doctor didn't really think of it as much. It wasn't that significant of a curve on my lumbar spine. And as of now, it's affected me so much. I have problems walking. I can't really breathe, and the breathing is an issue because, I have airway troubles, and the reason why I have airway troubles is due to the fact that my bite's just not what it should be. And the fact that I don't have any proper teeth contact is why I have scoliosis to begin with. So it's a lot of problems that all interconnect, and each problem is just doing an absolute number on me at the moment. So at this time, I'm doing everything that I possibly can to be up to date with my health problems. It's every day just feels like an absolute struggle. It's hard to walk, it's hard to breathe, but nonetheless, there's why not just continue going on and just trying to fix my problems. If I correct my open bite and my cross bite and my crowded teeth, and if I get restoration done on my teeth, I will see significant progress with not only my airway, my overall posture, and I'll have a better life. Because me currently, I just cannot get that. No matter how hard I try, I need this treatment. And I'm currently 2 months in. Each month I get my adjustment, and I'm not sure when I'll get my teeth restoration, but I'm doing the research, and I'm making sure that I'm making the right decisions, because I wouldn't have found all my problems if I didn't just self-evaluate myself and just listen to my body and discover the root to all of my problems, because there is a ton. All is linked to the fact that I have an improper bite. Sleep apnea, bruxism, the majority of airway problems are all linked to you struggling to breathe because of the position of your jaw. So some people may need to have the proper intervention done to correct the problem. Yeah. As my osteospinologist told me, and I'm no longer seeing that person just because I don't see how I should be getting treatment done with an osteospinologist when I still have the root problem. It doesn't make any sense to me. It was expensive. What she stated was that, you know, people like me exist and they roam around and they don't know what they don't understand, they don't realize that they're going through this, so they're kind of like zombies since they're not really breathing to begin with, not breathing correctly through their diaphragm. You know, they're just neck breathers. So yeah, I'm not really alive, and she didn't give me that impression. I just know that just mentally I'm not alive, and I guess more physically I'm not alive, since I just don't really function as a normal human should. So yeah, at this moment in my life, I'm doing everything I possibly can to get back on track. Hopefully, I just take it easy, and my goals are to correct my bite, which I'm in the process of doing so. And by doing that, once my bite is grounded, my neck should relax, because I have a really overactive neck that's led to forward head posture. And of course, with that comes uneven shoulders, and with that comes uneven hips, or a forward hip posture when the hip just goes up. And that's the effects of scoliosis. And what is scoliosis? Look it up. You're essentially stuck on right stance. If you understand the gait cycle, humans have a left and a right stance. Like me and the majority of everyone else, I'm stuck on right stance, which is the right leg goes forward and the left arm goes forward and your mandible goes to the left, I believe. And, you know, I've been looking into this for a while now, and it's just, you know, it's all connected. So it's really important to do your own research, listen to your body, because it will tell you the signs if you just pay attention. Not last night, a couple nights ago, I finally noticed that my jaw, I can see that it's been clenching for so long. If I just let it relax, it'll show it to me, just like that. Open bite. It's just, there's no sense of grounding. So let's see where this goes, because why not? Why not tackle this? So I'll make videos every so often if anyone's interested. Regardless, I'm doing this all for myself. So yeah, start paying attention to your bodies.